No one's ever asked me this question, but if someone did, I would say that the most important legal document you could have is a power of attorney. A power of attorney is a legal document which gives someone else the authority to make decisions for you if you are unable. And this incapacity could be due to something permanent, such as Alzheimer's or dementia, or it could be based on a temporary situation, such as being involuntarily detained. There are different types of powers of attorney. The most common ones you'll see are financial in nature, legal, healthcare, and also very important are parental powers of attorney. If you have minor children, find a trusted adult with secure status who can take care of your minor children if you or the other parent or guardian become unavailable. Inform the school and add these trusted adults to the pickup list. Consider preparing a power of attorney specifically for parental authority and sign this before a notary. Consider providing this in advance to schools or important organizations your child is involved with. Be aware that standard power of attorney forms usually do not cover parental authority. This is a unique type of power of attorney. Gather all important documents for that child and let the trusted adult know where they can get a hold of those. And also consider involving or informing the doctors in child's medical care. How do you get a power of attorney? Well, there's good, better, and best. Good is just any power of attorney. There are some wonderful websites that are available and trusted sources where there are forms available. The better and best is to actually have an attorney prepare this for you. I don't recommend this just because I'm trying to pad anyone's pocket, but it's because third parties such as banks usually look at an attorney-prepared power of attorney that is notarized and give it a little bit more authority and pass it as valid. How do you make a power of attorney valid? Well, there are some minimum requirements. In Washington state, the principal, the person signing the power of attorney, needs to have capacity. They have to know what they're signing and who they're signing it to. The principal also should sign before 2 witnesses that are unrelated, ideally, and a notary public. You really don't have to have both by law, but I do recommend it because, again, when you're dealing with certain third parties, especially banks and large banks, they feel more comfortable if it's notarized, and again, even more comfortable if it was prepared by an attorney. Who should get a copy? You should let your decision makers know where the original is. Oftentimes, a copy could work, especially for a medical institution, but the originals may be called upon if there's a legal action or a bank is requesting it. You'll also want to provide any parental power of attorney to the schools of your minor children, and you can even have your powers of attorney recorded with the county for a small fee. What if you change your mind? Well, if you change your mind about some of your decision makers or other terms of the power of attorney, what you can do is make a new one. Do not write on your old one because it will invalidate it, unless that's what you want to do. The other way to get rid of a power of attorney is to revoke it. And that is a formal way to create a revocation form and deliver notice to your agent. You can also record this with your county if you want to. Here are some additional resources that I wanted to share with you. There's a wonderful resource at washingtonlawhelp.org, Durable Powers of Attorney, in many languages that are available to you. There's also an immigrant safety plan for youth and children, which has a form that is a sample power of attorney for parents and parental authority, which was newly created in 2025. Thank you for watching this presentation of what is the most important legal document and learning a little bit more about powers of attorney. Let us know if we can help. As per usual, consult with an attorney in your jurisdiction for advice specific to your situation. Thank you.